In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with Bing ads with affiliate marketing in 2020. This is going to be a very beginner-friendly tutorial that pretty much anybody can set up in probably 15-30 minutes, depending on, if you're good with computers or not. But yeah, man, so far with Bing ads, me personally, I spent $400. I really spent more than this because I got multiple Bing accounts under different email addresses and things like that. So I probably spent almost $1,000 so far with Bing ads, and I'm already profitable with my campaigns that I'm running. So I feel like I can make a quick little tutorial and show y'all basically how you can do the same with affiliate marketing. Now, the first step is actually getting a affiliate account. So one of the main CPA networks or affiliate networks is Max Bounty. A lot of y'all that follow my channel, you already know what a Max Bounty is. Y'all probably already have an account. But if you don't have an account with Max Bounty, you can do so by going to maxbounty.com. I recommend going under somebody's referral link, so that way you can get approved easier, because just going straight to the website, sometimes they may or may not accept you depending on what you say. And once you do that, you just come over to affiliates, click on become an affiliate, fill in your basic info, name, company name if you have one, password, things like that. So let me just come up with something, 7 figures marketing. From there, security question, just set that up. Click on next. Email, you just put in whatever. After you put in your phone number, the time zone, wherever you located, when can you be reached. Now I normally do late morning because that's like when I like to get up, and by that time I'm ready to talk on the phone, things like that, because you have to do the phone application in order to get improved into Max Bounty. A lot of people, it's really just to verify that you're an actual human, not somebody just spamming the system, things like that. And from here, you just put in your Skype. If you don't have a Skype, you just make one. It's literally free. It only take a couple minutes to do. How did you hear about Max Bounty? You could say something like a friend. So let me put that in. Skype handle, we could do 7 figures. Boom. After that, you can click on next. Fill in your address, things like that. So I'm going to just fill this out and go to the next page. Now, this is the most important part inside the entire application, because this is pretty much what's going to determine if you get inside the network or not. Describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. And then you got to fill this part out right here. I don't recommend you put I'm a complete beginner. They accept beginner affiliates, but the highest chance you got on getting approved is either going with I have some experience and have received at least one payment. I am extremely experienced. One of these two. If you're a beginner, go with this one. If you already, then you got accounts, you made hundreds or thousands of dollars, go with this one. This is what I did. I'm extremely experienced. You could say something like I've been in affiliate marketing for the past, 3 years. After I put that, I probably throw in like I'm also a part of, you could say, ClickBank. You could just mention 2 or 3 different CPA networks, ClickBank, Cash Network, and there's another one, PureFly. PureFly is closed down, but just for example, you can say something similar to this. How you intend to promote offers. I will be promoting with Facebook and Bing PPC. I have an active email list that I've built running PPC and not email marketing, but solo ads, etc. You can say something similar to this. Now, definitely, if I got a YouTube video, you just search Max Bounty approval. I literally give you a whole script that you can use. You can just change out a few lines. This is just like the basics, just like a summary of basically what the video is going to say. And from there, offers. What offers are you looking for? You can enter exact offers, or you can enter like the niche. So if you like surveys, you like BizOp, you like auto offers, things like that, or freebies, whatever, just put a couple in there. Website URL, if you don't have your own website, you can just throw in your personal Facebook profile. That's what I use to get my account that I'm using right now. Is this account for essential traffic? No. And from there, you just click on next, and from there, all you're gonna have you do is just agree with the terms. So let me show y'all what that looks like. Website URL, facebook.com/7 figures. Boom, just click on next. Now from here, you just check out all these 3 boxes out. Finish the application. They'll call you in the morning all you need to do is basically repeat whatever you just put on this application and just sound fluent when you're on the phone. That's pretty much Max Bounty. Like I said, I recommend before you just go to straight to Max Bounty, get a referral link if you can find one somewhere, or if you're inside my course, I have my referral links in there so you can get approved easily. And from there, you just go to the next network that we got, ClickBank. A lot of y'all already know what ClickBank is. I'm sure y'all got accounts there. But for those of you that don't, just come over here, click create an account, first name, last name, phone number, email, password, terms and condition. Boom, you pretty much just join ClickBank, confirm your email, and you can go to the affiliate marketplace to find some offers to promote. Now, to find some good offers to promote inside of ClickBank, I'm going to show you a couple of little ways. You can just come over straight to the affiliate marketplace, find products. You want to just click on the search bar. It'll bring up all the products sorted by gravity, and it says, as you can see, the number one product in ClickBank has a gravity of 467. That basically means that's the number of affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this product. Got an initial sale of $62. You get 50% of the sale, no rebills, and it's in the health and fitness niche. Now, with me, a good offer to me has a nice gravity of at least 30. As you can see, this one has a gravity of 467. So, nice gravity, at least 30. It'd be great if it did have rebills to it. I know they have upsells and things like that, and they inside their funnel, so you can make more money than just the initial sale, which is why I recommend promoting products that has upsells and rebills and things like that. So that's one thing I like to pay attention to. Another thing I like to look at is the actual sales page of the offer. So if you was interested in this niche or this offer or whatever the case may be, would you buy from this website? To me, it's look clean and updated and things like that, because I hate older looking websites because it make me feel like I'm about to get scammed or my credit card is about to get stolen. But this is a very, very clean landing page that I would buy from if I was interested in this product. Another thing I like to pay attention to the affiliate tools, because the way I see it, if a product has a ton of affiliate tools like email swipes, banners, product images, keywords, headlines, landing pages, all this information to use, that means that the product is converting. Because if your product was converting like trash, why would you supply this much information for somebody to promote it if it's not even going to work in the first place? So that's another indicator. A nice sales page, nice gravity, rebills, and some great JV tools or affiliate tools that you can use. So just those 3 or those 4 tips right there to find the offers is very, very easy to do. You can sort the results by popularity or gravity. Popularity means what everybody's promoting, and gravity is what's getting the most sales for affiliate. Now, if you're over in Max Bounty, which is the CPA network, there's a few different ways you can find some converting offers. One way is coming over into your dashboard, going to top campaigns. These campaigns earn the affiliates the most money, so this is the number 1 offer inside of Max Bounty. This offer been here for a while, so I know it's converting. I just don't know what traffic source. Inbox dollars, which is a survey offer. Another thing I like to pay attention to, same thing. I like to go to the website. I like to look at the offer description, because this video we talking about Bing ads. So as you can see right here, Bing ads is included in search, and they do allow that. They pay $2.80 for an email confirmation, and it comes with a cap of 20 actions per day. Now, 20 actions per day is only like $56 a day. But if you do it consistently for like a good week, if you hit the cap every day for like a week, they'll bump your cap. All you do is just reach out to your affiliate manager. And this offer has a network EPC of 54 cents, which is very, very good. Any offer to me that got an EPC of at least, I want to say 30 cents and above is what I like to promote. And like I said, I like to take a look at the landing page, see if it's clean and worth opting in for. So you can see they just enter their email address, password, confirm it, sign up, confirm the email address, boom, you get $2.80 commission. This is a high offer that I make money with myself. Always pay attention to the offer descriptions whenever you're promoting on these CPA offers and even the ClickBank offers, because you don't want to get into trouble. But that's one way of doing it. Another thing you can do is just reach out to your affiliate manager right here. Your affiliate manager has a bird's eye view of the entire network, so they know what's going on, what's profitable, and all that other good stuff. So you just send them an email like, hey, Bianca, can you send me a few offers that's converting well with Facebook or Bing or YouTube, whatever the case may be. Shoot them a quick email, and they would respond within a business day or 2 and send you some offers to promote. Another way you can do is just go to search campaigns, Pick whatever category that you're interested in. So if I was interested in, let's go back to the surveys example. I always like to do mobile optimize with the filters because a lot of traffic, or I'm gonna, probably majority of traffic nowadays is on mobile devices. So you definitely want to pick an offer that's mobile optimized. My approved offer, so you don't have to fill out an application to run that offer. See pay type, I like to do lead. Countries, you can do United States, but I'll just leave it at that. And since we're doing search, we can pretty much eliminate everything but search and then click on search. After you do that, you can just sort it by EPC. If y'all don't know what EPC is, EPC is earnings per click. So the higher the EPC, the better the offer converts. So let's say, for instance, this offer is converting like crazy. Pays out $1.40 per lead, but it has an EPC of 94 cents. That's more than that's 1 out of 2 people completing this offer. I don't know who is running this offer, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, anybody can run this. No cap. Countries allowed. Only Canada. All search. They allow search traffic. So this is an offer that I might set up myself. Converts on double opt-in. Users are required to register and complete their first survey. Boom. There goes the campaign that you can run if you're inside of Max Bounty. You can see the EPC is 94 cents. So if you're getting the clicks for 30 cents and the EPC is 90 cents, that means you can potentially spend $1 and make $3 promoting this product. But that's that. Now, that was 3 simple and easy ways you can find an offer to promote. Now, once I find what offer I want to promote, seeing what side, what niche it's in, things like that, what I like to do is do a little bit of spying before I actually set up my campaigns over in Bing. So, taking a survey example, y'all know this is about making money online, paid surveys, and things like that. So what I would do is go over to Bing and type in something like make money online just to find out what's already working. So as you can see right here, somebody literally promoting inbox dollars, the same exact offer in Max Bounty. And what I like to do is basically make a notepad or, notes, however you want to do it, write it down, copy and paste, and just make a note file of all these ads that's working and basically tweak it. Because I don't like to copy just word from word. I kind of like to just change out a few things. So I'll probably find about 3 to 5 different ads, promoting survey offers. So let me show y'all another example. Make money surveys. Let's see, make money online with surveys. Let's see what comes up. So here goes a different ad copy that you can use. Boom. Go back to your note file, paste that there. Another thing you can do is go back. How to make money online. Start making top 3 work at home jobs. Another thing as well too, is just going through other people's funnels, seeing their landing pages, looking at their email follow up. So if you find a page that tells you to opt in, sign up with a dummy email address, not your main email address or something like this. I'll just enter my backup email address just so I can spy and see what's already working and basically rip they follow-up sequence and import it into mine. I just like the funnel hacking. That's basically what it's called. So you're doing your manual spying, just typing in related search terms to whatever offer that you're promoting, checking out their landing pages, checking out their ad copy, checking out their email follow-ups, basically just replicating success. If y'all been following my channel, y'all know, y'all inside my courses, the quickest way to see success online is to model what's already working. That's the quickest way. Instead of just trying to do everything, just being a trailblazer, trying to do everything on your own, might as well just take what's already working so you can get some results for yourself. And once you built up a note file, a notepad, a notebook, whatever the case may be, you can basically go and import this over on Bing once you do your little keyword research. Now, one of my favorite ways of doing keyword research is, like I said, just entering related keywords to your offer. So if you're promoting the make money online offer, you can just type in make money online. And you can literally, all my Bing campaigns, I don't like to put more than 30 or 50 keywords in at a time because, a lot of people, they used to teach or still teach to this day to import 500 or 1,000 keywords from the Google Keyword Planner, and you only gonna get impressions on, like I said, the first 30 or 50 keywords. So I feel like it's kind of outdated. But what I like to do is just come up with a file of keywords with about 30 to 50, just using related searches like this. So make money online with surveys, make money online from home, make money online 2019 or 2020, make money online fast. Still these keywords. So let me show y'all another way. You can actually, whatever you search for, you can scroll to the bottom of the page. You can do this on Google as well. You can copy all of these related searches right here at the bottom. Boom. That's just two easy ways you can come up with search terms. And another way, if you're promoting ClickBank offers, a lot of popular ClickBank offers, they already come with a keyword list that you can literally just import into your Bing account, and you would pretty much be good to go for keywords. So you already got your offer, you got your keywords, you got your ads. Now the next thing is just basically just setting it up with your tracker, because you don't want to run Bing ads without tracking. Tracking is probably the most important step into setting up Bing campaigns, because yeah, if you're bidding on 30 or 50 different keywords and you don't know what's getting you the profit, you're gonna be losing out on a lot of money just by not having a keyword tracker. Now, my favorite keyword tracker to use is ClickMagick by far. I've been using ClickMagick since I've been running Bing ads, Facebook ads for years now. And if you come over to the pricing, I think they come with a 14-day free trial. And you can actually save. As you can see, you can save 25% if you just get a yearly plan. That's what I did. This is what I'm on right here. Start your free trial. As you can see, you can get up to 100,000 clicks per month. Funnel tracking, 5 funnels, 10 custom tracking domains, etc., etc. And if you're a pro already, you know you can get 1 million clicks per month on the year plan at $897. And yeah, this is pretty much what I use. I got my all-time clicks. I don't know why. Oh, because I deleted all the other links. But I done sent tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of link clicks already to ClickMagick. So you definitely gonna need a tracking setup. And I will leave a link down below so you can start your 14-day free trial with ClickMagick. You definitely gonna need a tracking software. If it's not ClickMagick, you know, you got other ones like Volume, whatever you want to call it. BMob and other tracking softwares. This is just the one that I'm most familiar with that I use inside my training videos, my courses, and things like that. So that's basically how you can make money with Bing ads in 2020. It's a very simple process. You know, joining the network, you find an offer. I showed y'all how to find profitable offers in 2 different networks. From there, you can do a landing page, but it's not needed with Bing ads. So from there, you can just do some keyword research, do some spying, set up your tracking with ClickMagick, and you know, just get some training and set up these campaigns, start spending some money. Very simple and easy to do. As you can see, I ended up making $104 yesterday using these same exact steps I just outlined inside this video. And I also uploaded it onto my YouTube channel for those of you that haven't seen it yet. I'm about to be spending a lot more money with Bing ads in 2020 and beyond. And I also uploaded a full step-by-step tutorial how to set up a direct link campaign for ClickBank. And my computer is on 1%, so I'm trying to hurry up and finish out. But yeah, man, I'll go over this stuff inside the Elite course, depending on what time you're watching this video. If you're watching this video anytime after January, all of this stuff is already uploaded. But at the time of making this video, which is the 12th, it's not all the way in there. I'm working on it right now, but that's pretty much all I got for this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and I will see y'all in the next video.